at what this partnership is all about. It is a collaboration that is rooted on trust, family, and the joy of simple moments made special. Let's all watch this. Juday and the Kyowa team, let's give a round of applause to this partnership, everybody. And with that, it's time to hear a few words from the woman of the hour, the newest face of Kyowa, Miss Judy Ann Santos Agoncillo. A few words, please.
Hello, magandang hapon po sa inyo lahat. And of course, first and foremost, thank you to my newest family, Kyowa. Salamat po sa tiwala. Thank you for making me a part of your family. It's really an honor. And to each and every one of you, it's very nice to see all of you again. Good afternoon.
Thank you. Thank you very much. All right, and joining us on stage right now for this signing is my Launchpad Incorporated President, Ms. Mary Jane Buencamino. And again on stage is Kyowa COO, Mr. Eugene Go, Kyowa President, Mr. Nathaniel Ong, and of course, the newest face of Kyowa, Ms. Judy Ann Santos Agoncillo, making this partnership official. I love that there's a lot of cameras flashing, photos, videos. Please tag us at KyowaPH. We also have our hashtags for today. All right. Thank you very much, everyone. And please, a round of applause, please, once again. Mr. Eugene Go, Mr. Nathaniel Ong. We also...
The Halo Halo I presented with Chef Gordon Ramsay when he visited. And gusto ko matikman nyo kasi sayang naman yung binuo kong recipe. No? It's something that I'm so proud of because it's rooted with, of course, our favorite Halo Halo with my own twist. So, what I do, kasi normally, nasanay tayo ng Halo Halo natin, ang yelo natin ay tubig, di ba? So, what I do, especially in Amidobo, you can get this in Amidobo, yung ice pa lang may flavor niya.
Oh, okay. So it's not just water. May halo na siya.
So this is a mixture of coconut milk and evaporated milk.
Ooh.
So it's very creamy. So kahit matunaw siya, hindi siya parang lasang tubig.
Correct. Okay.
So,
that's a pro tip.
ako kasi, pag naghahalo-halo ako, I only put what I like. So I don't like beans, I don't like, marami akong hindi gusto sa halo-halo. So dahil kaya ko nang gumawa ng sarili kong halo-halo, this is very special because I only added what I really like in a halo-halo.
Okay, what is it that you really like?
So, I love nata de coco. So, non-negotiable ko yan. I like sago, and ito yung mga recipes na galing from, dishes na galing sa Amidobo is my own buttered kamote, buttered saba.
Ooh, okay.
And sweetened kamote, and black sesame pulveron, and cream cheese leche flan.
Wow, parang sobrang level up ng mga ingredients natin. Kaya naman pala siya nag-viral.
So, inandaran ko talaga si Gordon Ramsay, pero I'm happy na ang nanalo ay estudyante. Kasi deserve nila yung boost na yun.
So gracious. I love that.
And this is cheese because I like the mixture of sweet and savory.
Sweet, salty, that combo. Oh, yes,
so,
I love
yun
that.
yung talaga. Hindi kasi ako mahilig sa matapis, but when I have my dessert, I make it a point that it has that salty element.
Para hindi din tayo maumay. We can have more.
So, isuot po na natin itong ating Kyowa hair.
We gotta put on the apron because she's a professional like that, okay? Chef Juday in the house. Alright, we're gonna use the Kyowa eye shaver, of course, to do this one.
Ayun naman pala.
Okay, so we went through ayun, may mic pala tayo na ayan.
Okay. Ayun na. Kala ko, hindi pa ako narinig. Tumawat tuloy ako ng gusto. Okay, so, it's very, very simple. I love nata, so I put that at the bottom. And ayun yung isa sa pinakamaraming. Kumbaga, 40% of my halo-halo is nata.
Parang dapat nasa title yung nata.
Hindi lang black sesame. And then the kamote on the side.
Parang mas healthier din siya. Yung
Konting ko, hindi siya kasing tamis.
right. And parang
Ng
it's just
ibang-
more nutritious.
Ng ibang halo-halo. That's why I don't like the beans. Siguro growing up, hindi lang talaga ako nasanay sa beans. At saka yung kaong, hindi ako mahilig sa kaong.
Okay, this is
But
the
nata is non-negotiable. This is the saba, it's buttered. So dahil solidify na yung melted butter, when you eat it, you'll actually feel the butter.
The
Dun sa-
richness.
the richness of the butter. So I'll add this little sago in the middle. Actually, pag kayo yung bumuo nito, kahit ano kasi kaya mahalo-halo kasi hahaluin nyo, di ba? So
And
it
you-
really doesn't matter.
That's the beauty of the halo-halo, you're right. You can customize it and just
Yes.
use the ingredients na gusto mo.
So, sa two slices of langka, if mahilig kayo sa langka, pwede yung damihan pa. And some cheese in the middle.
Salty sweet.
Yes, and there are black sesame polvoron.
So as in literally you just pulse polvoron and black sesame seeds?
I make my own mixture of black sesame polvoron. We have our own recipe for this in Angry Domo.
Oh, I see.
And then our ice.
Of course, the all-important.
Yes.
Oh,
So
my
you
goodness.
will be also getting your own ice shavers.
Kaya ito na halo-halo
Diba?
party at home.
So you can add, depende on, you can make your own flavors of ice. So you can play around. It could be ube, it could be strawberry, it could be gatas ng kalabaw. Kung ano yung trip nyo, go. Walang mali.
I'm really excited to see the texture of this
The
ice.
texture of this ice is very fine.
Oh,
Hindi ito yung parang nakalakihan natin ng araw na that you can bite on the ice.
Yes, yes.
This actually melts in your mouth.
Oh, promising, right?
And it's
Here we go.
easy, it's no mess.
Oh, you're right. It's so fine.
It's very, very fine. Para na siyang snowflake. And this comes with a scooper. Cute nung scooper that you can use kapag nag-ano na siya. Yung ice ko lang kasi, since it's made from milk, may mga moments that it could get stuck. So, ibababa nyo lang, isisingin nyo lang siya doon. May hole yan sa loob eh. Yan, ipapasok nyo lang yung ice doon sa parang ilalim ng gap.
Understandable because the mixture was chopped up into chunks.
Yes.
No? You just have to kind of
You
help
just
it
really
along.
there you go. You just
Yeah.
have to put it inside. So makikita niyo po, may ganyan yan sa loob. You put the ice inside of the shaver.
I also really like the color scheme of your halo-halo.
Yes, kasi parang sa panahon ngayon, you also have to you have to incorporate the aesthetic.
Oh, you eat with your ice first.
Oo, di ba? Hindi ka na nga nagdadasal bago kumain. Pinipicture mo muna bago kumain. Di ba? Guilty ka na. Ako din naman. Ako din naman. So like that. So ibig sabihin, you just have to push it back mo. Ayan, para mag-shave pa siya.
You know, this ice mixture is doing so much work already because it's so flavorful. We can help it along a little bit.
Yes.
In the shaver. Pero ang bilis lang din, no? Parang hindi naman siya nagsa-struggle to shape.
Wala. Kailangan mo lang siyang tulungan ipasok sa loob.
Oo.
But otherwise, yan na siya. Oh, I love it na para siyang snowflake.
Na-imagine ko na yung texture niya actually.
Ay, ako na-excite
It's
pa.
like melting already.
There you go. Ay, nalamig ang bakla. Ay, sorry. So, we add our ice here. Para siyang sorbet.
Yes. Actually, I mean, you know, if you don't want to do this, you can make your own sorbet.
Yes, yes,
Just
definitely.
sorbet.
And it's more healthier kasi ikaw ang gumawa. Ikaw ang nagbuo.
I mean, if you're a mom who has kids, I'm sure you know your kids would absolutely love this. And if you're concerned about nutrition, again, you can customize this to your liking.
And this is a very nice equipment to have at home kasi it's also easy to clean.
Oh, that's such a big part.
Yan ang pinakamalaking bonus
Oo.
talaga kasi wala naman tayong mga dishwasher po masyado dito sa atin,
Kasi,
di
oo,
ba?
tatama rin tayo gamitin yan kung mahirap siyang
So,
i-
medyo messy lang itong buuin, but you add your cheese. Wala. I'll add your... Siguro maganda unahin ko yung black sesame. Just a bit, kasi meron na tayo sa gitna.
I like how the black sesame is so glaring with the white shaved ice. Of
At ang
the-
dumi-dumi na ng station. Sorry po.
Hindi ko nakapinitsin eh.
Hindi ko maiwasan. And some cheese on top. Malinis po ang kamay ko.
Ang ganda!
And of course, this is your cream cheese flan.
Cream cheese flan.
Yes.
I've never heard of this.
This is a recipe that I created when I cooked for the nuns in the Vatican.
The Vatican, like the Vatican.
The Vatican.
Whoa!
Nagkataon lang that I was able to cook for some nuns there in their dormitory. And ito yung recipe na naisip kong gawin sa kanila. So I added this also in Andredogo.
Let me guess, they said, Juday, this is so sinful.
Yeah! Napatawad naman ako agad. There you go. So this is your black sesame
Wow!
polvoron halo-halo.
I love it. It's a beautiful looking halo-halo. Again, it was so easy to assemble. Of course, the eye shaver from
Really
Joaquin,
helped. Yun talaga
super
yun.
help. Yes, yes. I love
So
this.
they will be getting their own servings, right?
They are! So everyone, you don't get to just see the black sesame polvoron halo-halo, but we made some for all of you so that you can try it as well, okay? But they're so busy taking pictures, they cannot applaud.
Tayo na lang. Yay!
Miss Judy Alexander
Thank you.
Valentino. I'm so excited.
This is for you.
Thank you, thank you. We need to get a picture of that too first, of course. All right, once again, the viral, very famous black sesame polvoron halo-halo. I'm gonna give you a moment with that so that they can take pictures of you.
Diba? Ang ganda
Yes.
niya. Pwede siyang
Oo.
ligawan. And let's go like
But, yun, so medyo hindi ako magaling mag-cook for her, but I would really like for her to, help me teach her as early as now, like healthy recipes, healthy snacks. So, for you, like what would you recommend to a new mom like me? And like what products from Kiowa would you use also? So maybe I can use them also.
Well, of course, I've said that the rice cooker, that's a must that we need to have at home kasi, again, rice is life. The air fryer, I would recommend for healthy cooking. It is also something that's pretty much very safe for the kids na i-introduce sa kanila when it comes to cooking. We also have waffle makers. Yung waffle maker, you can make oatmeal banana pancakes, and sometimes you can make pancakes with some shredded carrot, parang mukha siyang banana carrot bread. Inserting vegetables in your kids' food while including them in the kitchen while cooking makes for them to appreciate what they're gonna eat. Kasi